the person at the center of each and everything is President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The reason why I am saying so is because if you take a look on everybody who is involved in gold, that person has met President Emmerson Mnangagwa. One way or the other, that person has met President Emmerson Mnangagwa. If you look on the people without a history of how they got their wealth, those people they have met with President Emmerson Mnangagwa. This guy, which is on the screen, who is on the screen right now, is in another gold scandal storm. And some questions are being asked and explanation is being demanded to say, where did you get 1 ton of gold from? 1 ton of gold. Where did you get it? Where did you get the money to purchase 1 ton of gold? You were a pastor a few years ago. No track records of you owning a successful business which can give you 1 ton of gold. Where did you get the money? Who are you fronting for? Those are the questions. Take a look on Anaskoti Sakupkanya. These are people who have met President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Yes, he is dealing in gold mining. But the question is, why meeting President Mnangagwa? Why is everybody who is involved in gold mining in Zimbabwe and on a large scale is involved, is meeting President Emmerson Mnangagwa? That is wrong. That portrays President Emmerson Mnangagwa as if he is the main runner. That is the idea in Opesreyapo. And there is, if you take a look on how these people are running around Vachipopota about the documentary, I need to show you something. This guy, Anonzi Sheki here, akachitopopota achipopotera the hope about this documentary. And the question is, what is going wrong? Let me take you to this tweet. This is Sheki. See, he's saying that this documentary is so cooked up and it's a character assassination scheme. It's a controlled narrative throughout the whole documentary. Ambassador Angel never mentioned anything between them and him trading gold or him moving gold for them or buying gold for them. Why is he defending Ambassador Angel before the war film is aired? Because right now, we cannot give a conclusion of gold looting. Right now, we cannot give that conclusion. We have to wait for the documentary to be aired. We have to wait for the documentary to come publicly. And we need everybody who is fingered in that documentary to actually come clean. The question is, why is the RBZ making an inquiry about Ambassador Angel's businesses before the documentary is put out? Why are they investigating Ambassador Angel? It's because they know something. So the question is, what are you doing with all this gold? What is the benefit of the nation in all these dealings? So honestly speaking, in as much as we cannot point fingers because of the documentary has not yet come, we cannot condone this act yekuti vanhu vanouya panapa trying to dismiss a documentary yavasati vaona. So I urge everybody involved kuti ngaamirire documentary, then bring your defense, bring your whatever you have after the documentary has been aired. Then we get to understand you. The question is, why is it everybody running around gold is meeting with the president? What's so special about it? That is the question we have. And we need answers to those involved. If we can get that answer, maybe we can get clarity on what is really happening.